a wild parrot.
Are there more on the grass, or just those other took off? Did they leave?
Yeah.
They hang around in that power station.
I wonder what he's eating, other than grass.
Grass.
He is really cool.
I don't know what kind of parrot that is, but it'd be neat to find out. That would be great to find out what kind of parrot that is. Somehow, somewhere, some of them got out, and then since I was probably 15 or 14, I remember seeing them out here. Not just in this area, but down towards White Oak Bayou. And there's other parrot